girls, they love to bounce.
I think there's a hole on a part of exhaust. That connects to the headers. I forgot what one's called. I was literally searching up yesterday. I forgot what it's called though. My plan is to straight pipe the start. Oh, damn, how am I forgetting all the names? I'm gonna take off one of the things that make the exhaust or the engine silent, and hopefully it sounds good. I'm gonna buy an exhaust tip because it's the one I have right now, and it does not look good. It's blue, like my car, so I'm gonna change it up to a chrome. I already know where to buy one, so I'm gonna go right now with two homies of mine and make it look better. I'm gonna tell them if they could weld it on. Oh, you can't even see it on the camera. Well, this window's dirty. I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna wax the car real quick. I'm gonna clean the tires, the rims, and I'm gonna head out already. I waxed the car, already shined the tires. I just need to clean the rims, but I'm gonna wait till that because we're kind of in a rush right now. But look how shiny this looks. Little scratches, but that's fixable. I can still fix that. Some dents, but I can still fix that. We good. I can see everything. Now, me and the homie, we're gonna go buy the exhaust tip and go get it welded. The homies came already. The caddy, la Mazda, la Nissan, and el Buswagen.
Oh yeah, it's true.
To make that fucking video you bought? God damn it, man. Yes, wait, rub your whole fucking finger crossed. Oh, he's such a gentleman, thank you. This one.
Isn't it? Oh shit. Oh, you need to come. I should get some too, man. Exhaust.
That one's bigger, I think. Or is it the same size?
Do these even make a noise difference, right? Yeah.
Yeah, cause look at the inside. Like how it's the inside. It has that shit.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sure oh, you just put these on like that?
Yeah, but I want them to weld it.
Yeah, it's better if you weld it.
Yeah. Some faggot ass fucking.
Like the one you had in the Honda, bitch?
No. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
No bullshit at all.
Do you think I could put that on the car? Or do you think it's like more like a V6 and above?
But isn't that only for
muscle cars?
No. For
trucks. Oh, trucks.
Single?
Single? Oh, mine is single.
Oh, you're just single?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, I have to. Never mind. Oh, I think you can. Yeah. But I think that's more for like V8s.
Yeah, right. Whatever.
What? You're doing the same thing you're doing in a Honda? Starting off with exhaust?
Damn thing don't come out, dude. Ow! Yeah. Well, I wasn't, but now that this happened, fucking why not? Do you think I could put that? I looked at that shit too. $41. I could buy them too, and I could make them weld it.
It could be the same thing as that.
Well, that's why I want to straight pipe the front part.
That's why it's gonna sound the same as that, no?
No, this sound a little lower because I still have the back cat. Or I don't know what it's called, dude. I keep forgetting the name. I know, me too.
Bigger, not this one.
Oh no, okay, yeah, Kane and they're good. I don't think they make any for my car. For the, right now?
For the Hilton one?
For the Hilton one?
Oh, there's anything that's the right side? I don't even know.
They look like it. I mean, you can still return them though.
Yeah.
Fuck it. 56 or 57. I'm gonna buy one of these next week. So I'm gonna make a video of me installing it. And I might get a bigger intake with the one. Huh? The same wheel? Probably. I don't know. I don't want to tell you yes.
What's yours?
Like 18. Maybe? I don't know how.
Yeah, mine. Just check the tire. Or.
So what I was saying is that I'm gonna buy an intake. Try to put a bigger intake so it could suck in more air, and I'm gonna try to modify the exhaust. I'm gonna buy a whole exhaust system, but at the moment I'm just gonna put the tip, take off. I keep forgetting the damn name, but it's on the screen. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just buy this for now, and that I'm gonna do more research.
Like first you like drive it for a bit so the gas could go lower and then that's when
El mofle tiene un agujero y quiero ver si puede ser patch o algo.
till Monday.
It's a Monday.
Yeah, I still have a vehicle in front I'm finishing. That's my last vehicle, yeah. I closed at 5.
No, it's a Monday.
4:20 I will finish it.
No. Yes, I will be the one eating the burrito on camera. Alright, so it's the next day. Me and the homies again, they're following me. We're gonna go get the stuff welded already. We're on. Whoa. We're on our way to go weld the patch of. I literally wrote this down yesterday, bro. Okay, catalytic converter, that. We're gonna patch that hole and we're gonna take out the muffler and we're gonna put in the exhaust tip. Where the fuck is Anthony? What happened with Ann?
I think he took the wrong turn and come on.
Let me call him then.
Yeah. What's up?
What happened?
I don't know. I didn't see you turn over there, but I'm already going over there. I'm right behind you. Like, I'm over there.
Okay, bet. Well, he missed a turn.
Real people from the trenches where it's real lethal.
I came Saturday, no Sunday, creo. And I wanted to weld a patch that's on the catalytic converter. There's a patch. I mean, there's a hole there. I was wondering if you can patch it.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it or what?
Yeah, and then also, I bought an exhaust tip. I was wondering if you take that off and take off the muffler también. And just straight pipe the muffler.
Well, give me a couple of minutes and don't check it out.
No.
Ahorita que venimos arriba estamos donde conecta con el manifold.
So there's missing screws.
It's broken.
Oh, it's broken.
A ver si tengo que quitarlo para poder voltear. Para arreglarte, nomás para arreglarte esto de aquí arriba te da como 250.
250?
Nomás just to fix that part. Because I gotta take it all everything apart to take it off, weld it in a bar because I can't weld it.
You come on that real quick.
And hopefully I can finish it today. If everything comes out fine, I'll finish it today. If not, till tomorrow.
So it cost around $230. I'm not gonna pay for that. I'm not paying for that. So I'm going to another place around south. It's like 13 minutes away, and we're gonna see what's up because what I got going on right now is bad. The sound is coming from straight headers, nothing but straight headers, and that's all that heat is going to my engine. So I don't want my engine like to overheat or anything. So I'm just gonna take it over here, south. Hopefully it's cheap. If not, fuck, I guess. Too bad. I need to fix it today. Because if not, then my car is gonna get damaged.
Como se dice, se le cayó el manifold, no se suena el puro headers.
se lo veía, está escondido.
Yeah, there.
Usually check it.
Huh?
Usually shake it.
Shake it? Well, just shake it, bitch.
Make sure it won't fall off. It won't fall off.
Look good. I think it look badass.
How far is it? Like, you know, like that?
Yeah, probably.
O puedes empezar quitando este y luego ya vamos a ver cómo se escucha.
Yeah.
Si quieres más ruido o no hace ruido, pues sería de...
Pues podemos hacer eso.
Pues, ¿cuánto le va a salir, pa? La verdad, no. Y ya no tiene thread aquí este güey. So, cuando lo sacas ya no va a volver a... no va a apretar.
Ah, ok.
Lo voy a intentar... Lo que pasa es que lo puedo intentar soldar ahí todo si le puedo soldar todo por madre, güey. Pero se me hace que sí puedo. Ahorita le voy a salir quitando el boca de 3. Like 170, güey.
170 is fine?
For the more frigidity in the back and fixing it here. Ya, pues este sería parte dependiendo en qué. Ya si quieres quitar este, pues ya sube un poquito más de precio, güey.
Okay.
La bota aquí. Pero we can try it. That way you can hear the car first. Porque nada más es que quitamos los dos y
it's too loud.
Yeah, it's too loud.
Just for fixing the front. And he said,
That was just $250 to fix it.
Yeah.
He charged you 100 to do everything.
I know, that's what. Fuck yeah, bro. And then he said, it will be ready by tomorrow afternoon.
It's because they probably would have done the same mistake as them. They caught it, so they didn't even catch the mistake. They were like, if they took it off, they wouldn't even screw back on. So you would have to buy a whole new thing.
Yeah.
So they would have fucked it up, and they wouldn't even tell you. They told you, and now they're like, no, we can't do it. Yeah, we have to weld it a level.
There are better ways. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's because I was trying to find this spot. I just couldn't find it online.
And you found it here?
And then my dad, he told me the info. Dame los dos.
Weird.
Why?
It's so weird.
Why?
I was gonna put it in standard, right? And I'll go and I'll shift it a second, and it will take a while. And it will just take life to shift. And I'll try to downshift it, and it will just stay at 2.
Oh, you can go to 1.
Why?
Because 1 is mainly meant for to launch for leaving the park.
Oh. Right.
Make it purple. You don't know how or what? Oh, now you fucking do it when I'm standing up, bitch. Okay, bro, chillax, boy.
It stays there.
It stays in 4.
Yeah.
God damn. Fuck.
It's just like always trying to fucking take this.
Nate.